JavaScript's for loop is the same as that in C in Java. It lets you provide the control information for your loop on a single line. So again, we copy this one and we go to our developer tools. So we have for loop. So let I is initialized to 0. As long as I is less than 5, increment I plus 1. So if we press enter, nothing's gonna happen. So why? Because we are not console.log in it. So what we have to do is, for example, here going console.log open parentheses, and we're gonna console.log I. So what we're gonna get right now is console.log I console. Okay, now we press enter and there you have it. So it's initializing as long as I is initialized at 0. So it's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot go to 5 because I has to be less than 5. So yeah, you have that example too. That will be for the for loops. And like I said, these are basic examples. If you wanna go into deep into this topics, into these concepts, here you have the links and you have a bunch of examples here. You can try, you can read more, but I'm just giving a basic overview. So JavaScript also contains two other prominent for loops. You have the for ellipses of, these three dots are ellipses, which iterates over iterables, most notably arrays, and the for m, which visits all enumerable properties of an object. So for example, you have the for loop for of the const value of array. So here they say in the comment, do something with value, and then you have the other for loop for const property and object, do something with the value. So we can check out some examples real quick. For example, of the for of, just gonna go straight to the example here, and let me see, I'm just gonna, well, I can do it for here, let's say, yeah, const array 1. The array is gonna be consisting of 3 strings, A, B, and C. So for const element of array 1, so console.log, and now we pass the element here, and they're gonna the result is gonna be A, B, and C. So, and we can run it, and yeah, A, B, and C. And we can also do it here in the Chrome developer tools. So we work here, and here you have the array. We can change it. For example, let's say array 2, const array 2 is gonna be of let me see, let's see numbers, 5, 6, and this one will be 7. So for const element, we're choosing the element of array. It's not gonna be array 1, it has to be this array, so it's gonna be array 2, the one that we created right now. So, and console.log element, so we're gonna console that element, and the output has to be 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. So basic examples here. Now we're gonna check a basic example of the second one, for m, and here we have the const object. So we have the subject A colon 1 comma B colon 2 and C colon 3 for const property and object. So you have a property and object, and now we have console.log, and we use backticks, $, then we have property, then we have the again $, open curly braces, object, open brackets, property, and it's gonna come as a colon 1. Then next one is gonna be b colon 2 and c. And the third one is gonna be c colon 3. And if we can run it here, yeah, you have it. And we can check it out in the Chrome tools as well. So we can clean it up with Control L, paste it with Control V, and yeah, again you have a colon 1, b colon 2, and c colon 3. So that is another example. Now we have the switch statement. The switch statement can be used for multiple branches based on equality checking. So here we have the switch, and here we have the in parentheses we have the action, open curly braces, and we have case draw, case eat, and then we have default. So here we have case draw colon, and then we have the function draw it. You see it's a function because it follows empty parentheses, and after that you have the break. The next case you have case with a string eat colon function eat it, and then we have break, and then finally we have the default, and the default would be do the function do nothing. So that is that. And the switch statement, let me see, switch statement. So we can go here and we can grab, for example, yeah, let's grab this example real quick. Okay, let me check out, it's a little bigger. Okay, let me grab it. Okay, and then we're gonna go to our dev tools, we clean it up here, paste it, and now we have here cons. So we have this variable here, we call this string is gonna be papayas, and then we have the switch, and then we put this exact name here, open the curly braces, case we have oranges, console.log oranges are 0.50 a pound. Okay, then we put a break. The next case would be case mangoes, then colon, we don't put anything, or they don't put anything here. Now we have case papayas, colon, then we have console.log mangoes and papayas are $2.79 a pound. So here the comment says expected output mangoes and papayas. Okay, the same thing. Then we put again the break, finally the default, console.log, sorry, we are out of the, it has to be this exact name. So now we press enter. Mangoes and papayas are $2.79 a pound. So here you have another example of the switch statement. Okay, so right now would be here, let me this. Okay, similar to C, case clauses are conceptually the same as labels, so if you don't add a break statement, execution will fall through to the next level. However, they are not actually jump tables. Any expression can be part of the case clause, not just a string or number literals, and they could be evaluated one by one until 1 equals the value being matched. Comparisons takes place between the two using the triple equal operator. Unlike some languages like Rust, control flow structures are statements in JavaScript, meaning you can assign them to a variable, like cons a is assigned if open parentheses x close parentheses, then we have the open curly braces 1 close curly braces, and then we put else open curly braces 2 close curly braces.